Take a good look at your face. Now, listen very carefully. Your glow isn't fading because of bad genetics. It's fading because of 7 habits you repeat every single day, probably without even realizing it. And habit number 4 is destroying your face the fastest. You can use the most expensive skincare in the world. You can drink gallons of water. You can even exercise daily. But if these habits exist in your life, your face will still look dull, tired, and aged. Make sure you stay until the end, because one small fix I'm going to share can reverse up to 80% of the damage. Let's dive right in. Habit number 1, sleep debt. The first glow killer is a chronic shortage of sleep. I'm not talking about one bad night, or even 2. I'm talking about constant sleep debt. When you consistently sleep less than 7 hours, a few things happen. Your collagen production breaks down. Dark circles start to look like they're permanently painted on, and your skin's natural repair process just stops. Your face is literally aging faster while you're trying to rest. Habit number 2, touching your face. This seems so harmless, right? Just casually touching your face, resting your hand on your chin while you think, or rubbing your nose. But think about it, your hands carry thousands of bacteria from everything you touch. The result, unexplained pimples, a dull skin texture, and an uneven skin tone. Your glow is dying a silent death every time you touch your face. Now for habit number 3, screen overload. We all know that too much screen time damages our eyes, but it does so much more. It increases cortisol, which is your body's stress hormone. It leads to dehydration, and it causes premature wrinkles. The blue light from your devices is literally draining the freshness from your face. Okay, let's talk about the big one. Habit number 4, the most dangerous of them all. Chronic stress. This is the face killer that nobody really talks about. Stress causes inflammation throughout your body, and your skin is the first place it shows up. It increases oil imbalances and completely destroys your glow from the inside out. You can see stress on a person's face first. This is exactly why 2 people of the same age can look 10 years apart. One is managing stress, the other is being consumed by it. Moving on to habit number 5, bad diet timing. It's not just about what you eat, it's about when you eat it. That late night junk food craving, it leads directly to a puffy face, acne breakouts, and dull skin the next morning. Your face is a direct reflection of last night's decisions. Habit number 6 is overwashing your face. Many people think more washing equals more glow, but that's completely wrong. Overwashing strips away your skin's natural protective oils. This makes your skin become dry, irritated, and lifeless. Your glow needs balance, not aggression. Be gentle with your skin. And finally, habit number 7, ignoring sun damage. Sun exposure without any protection is silent aging. Even just 10 minutes a day, unprotected, is enough to break down collagen, create dark spots and pigmentation, and kill your skin's brightness. Your glow doesn't just fade suddenly. One day it erodes slowly, bit by bit, with every minute you spend in the sun unprotected. So, how do you fix this? Here's the fast transformation fix. This is the rule that will change everything for you. Fix your habits before you try to fix your skincare. Start with the basics. Commit to getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Find a way to control your stress, whether it's through meditation, hobbies, or just taking a walk. Take regular breaks from your phone and computer, and focus on clean diet, timing no more late night binges. Just try this for 14 days. I promise, your face will tell the story. Your face is not weak, your habits are. If you're serious about getting your glow back, about discipline, and about genuine self-improvement, then comment, glow up, down below, and don't forget to subscribe, because this channel is all about fixing the root cause, not just the symptoms. Thanks for watching.